Good day to all employee. I'm Prisanta Lunday, 43 years old, single mom, and having 4 children. My educational background is that I'm college undergraduate in Bachelor of Science in Home Technology. I have 2 years experience of being housemaid in Kuwait on 2011 to 2013. I have also 2 years experience of being housemaid in Hong Kong on 2013 to 2016. I do household chores like washing clothes, ironing, mopping, cleaning, cooking, and taking care of children. I have also experience in taking care of elderly women in the Philippines. I am hardworking, dedicated, and willing to learn the tasks you've given to me if you hire me as your employee. I will do my duty in taking care of your family as I do to my family. I will finish my contract as long as you need me. And I hope that you will choose me as your employee. That's all. Thank you and God bless.